Today, we are devoting time in each newscast to the crimes of elder abuse. It is our goal to help break the silence when it comes to reporting these crimes and getting help for victims as well as their families. Anchor Lori Tucker has devoted a lot of time to this topic. She joins us now in the studio with the story of someone who's making a difference for our seniors.
Hi, Gabby. Think about it. Your mom, your dad, grandparents, any seniors and you realize it's heartbreaking to learn that many aren't just scared to report crimes. Many are just too proud to talk about it, embarrassed that this is happening to them, or maybe they don't know what to do. Well, Knox County District Attorney General Charme established the Elder Abuse Unit here. There wasn't one in the entire state until she took office in 2014. Passionate about filling a void.
As a child abuse prosecutor who really saw the vulnerabilities and the special needs of the other end of the spectrum of children. And that got me to thinking about the elderly, the vulnerable, and that we didn't give them that special attention. And so that really rang with me, really resonated. And so when I took office, one of the first things I did was say, I want to start an elder abuse unit.
The Elder Abuse Unit has one dedicated prosecutor and a busy support staff, but also a group called VAPIT, which stands for Vulnerable Adult Protective Investigative Team, made up of different agencies coming together to protect seniors. Knox County was the first in Tennessee to start this. It's mandatory by law that every community have VAPIT, but under General Allen's direction, Knox County is taking it several steps further.
The law requires that every community meet at least 4 times a year. Here in Knox County, we meet 26 times a year. Every other week, that team of investigators gets together and processes cases.
And listen to this. Last year, the Knox County VAPIT team looked at more than 1,300 elder abuse cases in Knox County. Allen says the #1 crime against our seniors is financial abuse, followed by neglect and physical and sexual abuse.
That's staggering, it's heartbreaking, and it's also sad that this segment of our community, these are the folks that have raised us, that have protected us, that have brought us up, and then unfortunately in the majority of these cases it is someone that the victim knows, perhaps a child, a grandchild, a caregiver that's actually taking advantage of that older person who has spent their life dedicated to the perpetrator.
Gabby, that is so heartbreaking, but there is an upside when it comes to financial abuse from a criminal standpoint. General Allen said it's the easiest to prove. There's often a paper trail.
There is.
But again, often it leads to caregivers, grandchildren, children, also phone scammers you hear so much about.
Yes, they call the newsroom constantly. And so many have called about our day of coverage and the special on Saturday. Thank you so much, Lori.
You're welcome.
And still ahead right here on WATE Mix 6 on your side midday. Throughout each newscast today, we will continue to bring you stories from the victims and experts of elder abuse. Then on Saturday, as we just mentioned, Lori Tucker and Don Dare will be bringing you a half-hour special of coverage right here on WATE 6 on your side at 5:30. Again, that is this Saturday.